back to my channel. It's Uberna here. Today I am going to be cooking something which is a dessert. Really nice recipe. And as you can see, that sound is really strong. But you might be wondering what that is. It is a really stormy day. Agam is really hitting. And it started to stop right after I took the video, which is really strange. But as you can see on my intro, it was like storming really bad. And we are going to be cooking, making. Okay, the name of the recipe is a 1 minute microwave mug cake. So I'm gonna go through the ingredients of what we have. So let's get right to it, guys. Alright, and if your kids are older enough to do it, like I'm 7 years old, if your kids are older enough to do it, you can obviously let them do it. So let's get right to it, guys. First, I'm gonna go through the ingredients we have. So first, we have some flour. Second, we have some melted butter. We have some egg yolk, plain egg yolk. And here we have some whipped cream for toppings. And we are using vanilla. The flavor we are using is vanilla. So in second, we have some chocolate chips. That's gonna be my topping. You can use sprinkles or M&Ms, which most people prefer. I want to go on the healthy side, so I'm doing chocolate chips. So next we have some salt. We are gonna be using a pinch of salt. And we have some sugar. And we have some baking powder. And we have a mug. Let's go. So guys, before I start cooking this, I'm just gonna tell you how much quantity we need. So here we have a pinch of salt that we need for more flavor. And here we have some sugar as needed. And we have 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder and 3 spoons of flour and some melted butter, which is only 1 cube you need, and 1 egg yolk. And guys, before we even start, we need a spoon and a fork. So let's get to this, guys. So first we have some egg yolk. We're gonna just pour. This is my favorite cup mug. So we're just gonna pour all the yolk. Let's pour it all in. Yep, it's all in. Oops. And next we are going to be taking 2 spoons of sugar. Let's take this, put it inside, and now we are going to be putting all the butter in. I'm going to use my spoon. So guys, I'm using vanilla as the flavor, and I'm just using 2 to 3 drops of vanilla, and let's pour it inside. Okay, so we are going to be adding some flour, and we are going to be adding the whole flour, so all the flour I mean. Let's So guys, now I'm going to be adding baking powder. So I'm going to be just using this much. So let's pour it right inside. That's good. I'm going to keep my spoon on the napkin. And we are just going to be adding 1 pinch of salt. We have that. And next we are going to be adding all our chocolate chips. Just going to use it. And let's mix it all up. And this is the final consistency. And we're going to put it in the microwave until it's done. And now we are going to be microwaving it for 50 seconds. So kids, make sure you take the spoon out because it'll burst. Let's keep the spoon right here. And let's keep our mug inside. So now I put it inside. We are going to be closing it, and I put a napkin on top so it doesn't like explode and spill. So I want my microwave to stay clean. So we are going to be closing it. And let's see how it turns out. Guys, I'm excited to see the output. I think he needs 30 more seconds, so we're just going to put him for 30 more seconds. Let's wait for the 30 more seconds. But when we took it out, it smelled so good. Let's see how the output looks. So excited to taste it though. That's gonna be the best part. And let's open it. And guys, it is done, and I saw like a little puff come up. And now, be careful, it might be hot. Let's open this up. Wow, guys, that looks super nice. As you can see, it smells super good. I wish you guys were here to smell it. And I'm just gonna put some whipped cream on top. Get off the chair. And as you can see, it's super good, but super duper hot. So I'm gonna just put some whipped cream on top. Guys, as you can see, this is the teacup cake. And I'm just gonna test it out if it like is fully, cooked. Fully cooked. So I'm gonna test it out with a stick. If it comes out clean, that means it's good. If it doesn't, that means we have to let it sit in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So let's try it out on this side. It came out clean, guys! That is so cool. And guys, I'm gonna be using whipped cream to put it on the top. And now I'm gonna be adding some whipped cream on top.
That looks super good, guys.
And it's super hot, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes or two, and let's see how it tastes. And guys, this is how the final output looks. And guys, if you have all the ingredients you need at home, you can make this any time of day, and it tastes so good. I already tried a couple of mouths before I even started, and I'm just gonna taste it. So good. Guys, it is so good. Guys, I hope you tried this recipe at home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, smash that subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.